In this video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a word with 5 methods. But first, if you're new here, please hit the like and subscribe button to stay updated. So let's get right into this video. So first, what you want to do is click on the View tab and then click on Multiple Pages. Next, you have to click on Navigation pane and then click on Pages in the navigation pane. Now click on the page you want to delete and just keep on pressing the delete button until it disappears. For the second method, what you want to do is highlight all the text in the page that you want to delete until it reaches the last line of the last page. After that, all you have to do is click on delete and it will be removed. For the next method, click anywhere on the page that you want to delete and then press Ctrl+G. After that, type this \page. Press the Go To button and then exit this window and click on delete until the page is gone. And for this last method, click on the page that you want to delete and then just press delete until the page is gone. That's all the methods on how to delete a page in Word. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching and goodbye. For the third method, what you want to do is click on the Home ribbon and then click on the Show Paragraphs button. After that, just delete all the paragraphs in the page that you want to delete, and then that's it.